And we still go to matters in the counties, and the governors have hailed the High Court ruling directing the National Assembly to release the frozen 10.5 billion shillings road maintenance levy fund to county governments. Council of Governors Finance Committee Chair Fernandez Baraza said this will ensure the resource allocation will enable counties to carry out long overdue road maintenance projects.
These roads are supposed to be maintained through monies collected at the pump, which is 18 shillings per litre. And for the last 3 years, counties have never received road maintenance levy fund. And that is why we've been having challenges in the counties to maintain roads. So the landmark ruling yesterday, I want to say that as governors, we are very happy. And we believe that this will now give members of the National Assembly an opportunity to appropriate those funds. And what we are saying here is we are not denying Kera or Kura their rightful share. This ruling has just delivered what we have been asking for, 15% of the RMLF. The 10.5 billion Kenya shillings, not all of it will go to counties. So what we've been asking for, and the court has deliberately made that decision, and comply with the constitution, is let counties get their share so that the roads in the rural areas and urban areas can be maintained.
Now, Safaricom Business has